Welcome back to Dentfish, digital dentistry's biggest pond for collaboration. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to set up your profile. For this tutorial, we also assume that you have already converted your regular user account into a provider account. If you don't know how to do that or what that is, then please check out the respective tutorial. Now, the profile is basically how you present yourself on the platform. So if a user goes to the search here and is looking for some services, let's say the user is looking for some temporary implant crown or whatever, they're going to find little cards here with providers that offer this kind of service. So for example, here we have this test dental technician. So this is obviously a test account with a little image to present themselves. If you click on that card, you get some more details about this laboratory in this case, and also the kind of services that they offer. So in order for you to sell services on the platform, the first step is really to create such a profile. So to do so, go to the settings menu, and here in the settings menu at the very top, if you converted your account into a provider account, you find those two menu items called Profile and Services. In the beginning, you might likely find a little yellow exclamation mark here that tells you that you still have to set up some things inside those menus. So in this tutorial, we're going to focus here on the Profile tab. So click it, and this will take you to the place where you can edit your general profile. So the first thing you might want to do is to upload some kind of banner image that represents your business. So in my case, I have prepared here this image of a laughing, smiling dog. But of course, you can use something more appropriate that would represent your business. You can also name your business here. That is typically the name of your lab or your business. We're setting up here a fake account, so I'm just using a creative name. Let's call it The Art of Smile Studio. You can also put down some marketing text, some description of your business. I have already prepared something so that you don't have to watch me type. I just copy and paste this. Click the little icon at the back here, and it's saved inside the database. So if you ever want to change any of that, of course you can do so. Just click the little pencil and you will be able to edit this. In our case here, we're fine with this though. You can see now as well on the bottom side here of the profile, there is the services area, and it says no services on record. So in the next tutorial, we're going to show you how you can set up services that then will be offered together with your profile. So check out this next tutorial about services. Bye for now.